I'm Marie Cornell. I'm the quality manager at Biotechnology at Wilton. I've been at CPI now for 7 years and in the quality role for 3 years. The quality manager, we're around making sure that people follow the processes, try to look at how we can improve our systems and make it more efficient. I work with a lot of people. I work with all the different teams. A big part of my role is the food and feed side, so an important role of mine is actually doing a HACCP, which is a risk assessment for food safety. When I started as a quality manager, within the first month, I was brought in for a certification audit for the FSSC 22000 for feed. We had feed for 2 years. Started off with producing sustainable fish food, and in the last year, we increased our scope to cover food. And the food is making products that will be consumed by humans. Before we became FSSC 22000 certified, we had to get an inspection by Redcar Cleveland to approve our facilities for food production. They came in last year and they approved our lab. Following this, we then made improvements to our quality management system and the food safety system, and then we got certification for the FSSC 22000. This basically means that we're producing food at a high standard. We're ensuring to our customers that what we're producing is safe. It's on par with the rest of the majority of the food companies in the UK. And this has involved me basically getting the systems in place, training employees and making sure that we're meeting the standard. Recently, we opened up our Novel Food Innovation Centre at Wilton and Teesside. This will create a number of jobs for the food industry and hopefully will bring investment for the food production industry in Teesside. Having this certification and having the inspection with Redcar Cleveland means that we can produce safe food for our customers. So our customers can now come to us with their idea. We can produce some material which they can then test, they can do sensory trials, they can send it out to samples. Before we had a certification and inspection, we couldn't guarantee food safety. So we had customers who wanted to eat our food and we wouldn't be able to promote that idea. But now with the standard, we are producing a safe product that we can eat. When we got that, the sense of achievement from the whole team was it's amazing how we all got together to get that certification. So for me, it was just, being proud of the team. The pull for me to come to CPI was that it was so diverse and it had so many opportunities for myself that I had the idea that I wanted to leave anaerobic digestion and go into a new field, and CPI gave me that opportunity. And when a quality manager role came up, the idea of working with different people and working with groups of people really interested me, because I came from working for 2 years on my own in the ADDC and I missed the interaction with people. So my favourite thing about working at CPI is the people. I like working with people, but that's the best part of my role.